When buying furniture overseas, choosing a Foshan factory online offers these benefits. First, price advantage. We are a Foshan-based factory at the source, capable of customizing all popular furniture styles available on the market. By eliminating middlemen, we save up to half the price, making us the preferred choice for overseas buyers seeking high-quality furniture. Second, professional customization services. Provide your floor plan and decoration images for a personalized furniture layout tailored to your style and dimensions. Third, video inspection. We provide video inspection services to ensure every piece of furniture meets your expectations. For example, Mr. Lee, an overseas Chinese in Australia, confirmed the quality and details of his living room, bedroom, and study furniture through video inspection. Fourth, reduce shipping costs. You can also send small appliances to our factory. We'll use packaging space to save on shipping costs. Customers can choose their own shipping company or use our recommendation. Fifth, safe and reliable packaging and shipping. Our professional methods include waterproofing, bubble wrapping, and shock-absorbing foam to protect your furniture during transit. Sixth, worry-free after-sales service. Our professional logistics team and experienced delivery and installation experts ensure quick and safe delivery and installation of your furniture. Simply wait at home for delivery. Seventh, legal protection. Each order includes a legally binding furniture purchase contract to safeguard your rights. For these benefits and more, contact us today.